Yeah, I want to just show y'all what's going on. I'm getting ready to go my first time out here in snow since 1989 because I ducked it for the whole time I was on the street once I started getting paper and was able to fly to Miami. You know what I mean? But now, here I go, 26 years in prison for life without parole for breaking the law, being a screw up. So I'm telling you, don't do it, it ain't worth it, don't take it away from your family. I didn't want to miss snow by being trapped in the damn cell. You know what I mean? So this is where we at, man. I'm getting ready to go outside so you can see my first time walking out in the snow. I'm gonna shoot a video and I'm gonna let y'all see the little video a little later on. All right? So this is it. Look at all this snow, man. What the hell? Look at this. Come on, dog. Where they do this at? You know? But I'm here and I'm free. Am I too high? Am I too low? You got it? Don't break the law. Don't do nothing stupid, and you can enjoy the snow as a free man. I had to turn up in prison to get away from the snow for 26 years. And did most of my time in Florida and California. Wherever it was hot, that's where I chilled out at. When it get cold and it get close to winter, I'm out. You know what it is, man? I've been locked up 26 years since 1993. And since about 89, 1990, I've avoided the snow. I'm Jamaican. I hate the snow. You know what I mean? I hate the cold, but I deal with the cold. You know what I mean? But the snow I can't deal with, man. The last time I seen snow was 1990. We'll call it that. But between 89 and 90, we're gonna say about 90. Definitely 89 was the last time I seen snow, man. And when I got in the feds, you know, doing my life sentence with no parole plus 20 years, I made sure that every time it got close, you know what I mean, to winter, if they had me someplace where it might snow in the winter, I made sure I turned up. You know what I mean? I turned up to make sure I get the hell up out of there, man, because I don't deal with the snow. Back in the day when I was on the street, back in 89, 90, if the weatherman said snow was coming, I'm telling you now, what I did was automatically just say, man, screw that. You know what I mean? I booked a flight on Pan Am and took the last flight out that night, which normally was like 9:45. Get there by like 11:30. You know what I mean? And, you know, anything to avoid the snow, man. You know, I landed in Miami. Mama Dukes picked me up in a 750 BMW. You know what I mean? At the airport. You know what I mean? So when she picked me up in the airport, you know, we do what we do. You know what I mean? She take me back to the crib. You know what I mean? You know, give me something to eat, feed me, make sure a nigga right. You know what I mean? I get the pistols out and I, you know, go in the garage and I might jump in a twin turbo green and white joint that I left down there for the winter. You know what I mean? In Miami to get it out of New York. Or the wide body BMW to get that out of New York. Or I might jump in a convertible Saab. You know what I mean? Summertime, the convertible Saab was the shit in New York. Just letting you know what it is. You know what I mean? Or I might jump in an MPV because sometimes I bring the homies down there to Miami too. Alright? But I'm just giving you a little visual of what the snow mean to me today. This is literally the first time I seen snow or touched snow or was a part of a snowstorm. You know what I mean? Anything dealing with snow since 1989. You know what I mean? I hate the snow. You know what I mean? It look good when it falls. But when that joint start, you know, the buses start riding on it, the weather start breaking and, you know, the sun start, it's just too much. I can't deal with it. But as far as it be locked in with your significant other, your wife, your girl, you know what I mean? The one you love. You know what I mean? That's when snow is good. But I'm an outdoor type dude, so I like to go outside. You know what I mean? I ain't trying to stay inside and all that. Look, but I'm out here wearing all this old crazy stuff. I like to show my little abs and my little forearms and do what I do. But, you know, I'm out here in a snowstorm, man. My first snowstorm, like I said, I wear earmuffs and everything. My first snowstorm, what's that, like 31 years, 41 years, something like that? But it is what it is. I ain't gonna sit here boring you. I just want you to know that, you know, this is my first snowstorm, man. You know what I mean? This is my first snowstorm in 31 years. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, a lot of y'all probably wasn't even born yet looking at this, but I just want you to understand that, you know, I chose to avoid the snow, but I didn't choose to avoid it for 26 years by sitting in goddamn prison, or federal prison, or state prison, or any prison. That's why I'm telling you, young brothers, and coming up to the camera, it ain't worth it. Don't get involved in the game. It ain't worth it. Alright? So don't get involved in it. Stay out of it. It's not worth it. You know what I mean? I chose to duck the snow, but I didn't want to be in prison to duck the snow. You know what I mean? Come on, dog. I mean, where we do that at? You know what I'm saying? But right now, I'm chilling. snowed in, but I'm enjoying it. I got everything I need. You know what I mean? So what can I do? I can't complain. I just do what I do, man. You know, so don't tell me I didn't tell you. You know, don't get involved in a life of crime. Don't get involved in breaking the law. It ain't worth it. So don't tell me I didn't tell you, man. You know what I mean? But like I said, you know, my channel is about pushing positivity, and I just want you to understand that I missed out on a hell of a lot. You know what I mean? From my choices. I mean, I made plenty of money, drove plenty of cars, and had plenty of homes, and plenty of hoes, and plenty of girls, and plenty of this, and plenty of that. And I'm telling you, it was not worth it. You hear me? It wasn't worth it. So don't tell me that I didn't tell you, man. You know, I just want to drop this to let y'all know what my first snowstorm felt like, you know what I mean, in 31 years. You know what I mean? I ducked it from 89 to 93. But, you know, from 94, I had to figure out a way to duck it, so I had to turn up in federal prison to get back to California or down to Florida. All right? I done did over a decade in Florida. You know what I mean? And damn near the same thing in, you know, in Cali. And then, you know, my little 5 years in 88 Supermax wasn't no joke. You know what I mean? But I wasn't going outside no goddamn snow. You know what I mean? Because they kept us inside, locked up and away from everybody. So don't say I didn't tell you. It ain't worth it. You ain't trying to do 5 years locked away to be away from the snow and to be away from the homeless. All right? So I'm not going to be here all day holding you up on that, but just know what it is, man. You know what I mean? So I'm telling you, back up, stay away from a life of crime, stay away from the bull crap, and know that I'm over here telling you, man, I'm enjoying my first snowstorm in 31 years. I never thought I'd enjoy it, but I'm locked in, I'm comfortable, I'm warm, I got everything I need. What more could I ask for? Cause I got my freedom. Alright.
Yeah. Cheers, cheers, toast the crime, toast the crime, the crime, the crime, the crime. What?
Fresh out the can of 26,
yeah.
He back on the strip, getting back in the mix.
Yeah.
What he mentions a gift. You stand up 10 toes down, and I suggest you pay attention to this.
Real.
Take a little gully posse and put it in Harlem. He cut from the bottom, came up from the bottom. Drop the book, you should go and get it. The Instagram page and the YouTube, you could go and visit.
Yeah.
Then you could consider yourself LinkedIn.
Real.
Sit front row and get Jews from a kingpin. How he went through it, so you ain't gotta go do it. To not pay attention would be stupid. Talking about a man that probably put your grandfather on. Probably the reason that him and your grams got along. A man that generated millions on the block, did his time, never squilling to the cops, make an audio. Get it live like 2 G's in the 90s. Drop top beamer so shiny. I let shorty go, she was whining. Treat her like my past, she behind me. Spin a couple bands on the Dapper Dan. You be back again, getting green like a Packers fan. No cap, it's a roaring uptown. They be horn uptown, Dominican bust downs. Now we on the positive, you we got a lot to give. Now he trying to stop the kids from being inoperative. So take heed, homie, lend an ear. He started in uptown, he gon' finish dead. But now it ain't about selling drugs, buying cars. It's about buying property to make the community ours. So we can give back to the youth them. Cause they the truth them. And bless up to all the road men.